Current situation, guys, check it out. In the rain, that's how we love it. I'm in my beautiful umbrella.
Amazing stuff.
This is one of the best lamb you would ever eat.
Only in
what she say, if she catch me drinking liquor, she leaving forever. If she catch me drinking liquor, she leaving forever. Can't go nowhere all day. She want me to what she say.
Yes, guys. Calling us too crazy before.
what a beautiful day. What a beautiful
Beautiful sunny day.
Yeah.
Only too crazy people like me and Kevin just said.
Decided we wanted
On a sunny day, let's go Caura.
Yeah.
By myself.
By myself. We ain't call nobody. We ain't tell nobody.
Nothing. We go in the fridge. I open my fridge, all I find are 2 small chickens.
Yeah.
I say, alright, that go up.
One for he, one for me.
I dig up all of it again, I find 2 small carrots.
One for he, one for me.
I say, alright, that go up. And we move in. Yeah,
So,
understand?
we are real food for 2 hours. Carry a bag of rice.
4 cup of rice.
2 for me, 2 for me.
Yeah. So in case you meet somebody and there was some rice, to actually meet this after.
Actually, a cup of rice.
Rice.
You got a spoon or two. So guys, the trunk full, the box is full, and there's 2 of it.
And let's show you this sunny
Beautiful. Watch the ambience. Amazing.
Amazing. Who does go Caura?
Guys, I think after that Toko trip with that rain, we love it so much, we decided we wanted to experience something like that again.
Anything with Toko, you know, it's a tree and in the fall, nobody will.
Yeah, with Caura.
No, Toko had that. Do had that. He had that.
Oh. I thought this side of that.
No, you mean everybody here have tree, every side of the road.
But I go now more to the garden side and then.
Wait, look, right now, tree.
That's just bamboo, that bamboo.
Oh my god, big truck. So we're going Caura, we're just simple, nothing fancy. We're gonna do a little curry chicken. We don't know what we do with the fish yet. And I think it'll be a beautiful adventure.
Yeah, it will be. Rain does only stop cricket.
Now we talk about. Look at that beautifulness. Only in Caura. Amazing.
You'll never see this when it's sun hot.
Yeah.
Nice, cool weather.
Kevin, you know when rain falling up this side, the crabs up to run.
Serious.
Yeah.
That only went on that crack.
Beautiful, guys. Check it out. Lovely.
Between she and the liquor, who you feel going? Girl, stop giving all this trouble. It's time you give in and let me drink me rum. If she catch me drinking liquor, she leaving forever. If she catch me drinking liquor, she leaving forever. Can't go nowhere all day. She want me to what she say. I can't go nowhere all day. She want me to what she say. Can't go nowhere all day. She want me.
You think it have nobody?
Welcome to Caura. Cool one.
We see Duka.
We have Africa. That is what we're talking about. Like we can't be the only mad people that come in Caura today in this weather.
We are not. There are other mad people.
But these people take we spot with them seeing now.
And they're well set up. Because we gotta go right with them concrete thing there now.
Oh my god, look at people.
That people, man. I feel like I was stepping up. I want to turn my car and face this way. And we go right with them concrete thing there now. And
yeah, or let me go right. Well, they don't have a table. But
where?
the seats there we can take it.
Wait, right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, but
If you want to turn and reverse right here.
I don't want to park up here. People's blocking.
Oh.
You understand?
Yeah.
So I will face so.
Yeah. Well, like somebody cut down all the trees, man, but we were shading with that big tree.
Damn people, boy.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah. We're going some mud, but we need a little table spot and bench. But we gotta use our table, then. Yeah.
But I'm going to 3 cases of water.
I'm drinking water all night. All you good, Kevin?
Yeah. Let's go to close to the corner.
I feel good, huh? We good? We good.
At least you get a little computing.
Mad people. Slow. some people just call we crazy. We say we more than crazy.
We above crazy.
We above crazy. And it's not everyone that come here today, you know. Just we come here for you guys.
For you.
You understand?
The things we just do for you.
Cause this is a promo for my cruise on the 9th of December. And
only have a master. Boarding 3, leaving 4. Come back 7.
I might give out a couple tickets later.
Today,
in Caura.
on the spot.
Yes, later.
Yeah. So if you're here, you know where it is. You know where we are.
Well,
Cool one.
What you talk about? They're seeing the sun till I don't know when.
I don't know.
Lovely vibes, guys. How are we doing
Cheers.
it? The music now slowing down a little bit.
We got a chance to talk.
So I hear me now. I say, oh God, rain falling. I'm gonna make a nice video. No music, so I could talk and make the video and thing. You know, I'm gonna get copyright. Wow, man, come with a 10 from me over Ika.
Level music.
Hey, Kevin?
Level.
Oh God, you're coming out, Current situation, guys. Check it out. In the rain. That's how we love it. I'm in my beautiful umbrella. So guys doing the most amazing thing there. Whole tent over the car.
Just for the music. Yes. This water house looks so brown.
Huh?
We're not looking like good water.
That water from the tank, boy. That thing. There's white rice. They go turn to brown rice.
So guys, today, no washing of rice.
Nothing.
Following the Kevin method.
Nothing.
No washing.
Nothing.
Nice, expensive basmati rice.
Lovely. So guys, this is a random trip, guys. That we just do it. Me and he alone.
So,
me and Kevin, we don't need nobody.
We don't need nobody.
We don't need nobody. You understand what? You're getting real wet, you know. Oh yeah, that any car, boy. Oh my God.
How we expect me to turn this rice now? I'll go pit. No, it don't make sense to me, Kevin.
That will say, come, go in the car. Open the car.
Kind of things I do to you.
The car open. You're going the next side, Kevin. The next side. It's on the box.
They get the oil too.
Oil? Alright, yeah. I like oil like this, guys. It makes it so different and nice. Oil, what spoon? Check it out, everybody. Real nice vibes. A bit of oil, guys. Look how nice. The water get white, man. The water get real white. Check it out.
Now put the salt.
Yeah, it's lovely.
So guys, the oil is to make sure the rice don't stick together.
Yeah, I say so. So I'm gonna come on, show you a little setup. That will set up there. I find it look nice. Beautiful.
I like this cotton one.
Yeah, infinity.
Courtesy,
And
infinity.
the most important today, I have the tank and the Helen.
For the pot cover.
That pot cover. That is like an umbrella and a pot cover in one. Hey Kevin?
For real.
Umbrella and pot cover in one. Right. Gonna have a drink, guys. They will set up here. Lovely.
Want me do what she say, can't go nowhere all day. She want me do what she say. If she catch me drinking liquor, she leaving forever. If she catch me drinking liquor, she leaving forever. Can't go nowhere all day. She want me do what she say. She want me home with she. Girl, this kind of living sending me crazy. If I take a few drinks, you're putting on a show. It's straight home by your father, you're leaving to go. Girl, why you stopping me from liming? How you moving? So girl, let me drink me rum. If she catch me drinking liquor, she leaving forever. If she catch me drinking liquor, she leaving forever. Can't go nowhere all day. She want me do what she say. And with the girls and them, with the woman and them, yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
hey, hey, hey.
Drink me rum. If she catch me drinking liquor, she leaving forever. If she catch me drinking liquor, she leaving forever. Can't go nowhere all day. She want me do what she say. Inside and tell me she can't take this abuse. It's either she or liquor. I will have to choose. Just look at this position this woman put me in. Between she and the liquor, who you feel going? Girl, stop giving all this trouble. It's time you give in and let me drink me rum. If she catch me drinking liquor, she leaving forever. If she catch me drinking liquor, forever, can't go nowhere all day. She want me to what she say. I can't go nowhere all day. She want me to what she say. Can't go nowhere all day. She want me to what she say. Want me do what she say. Can't go nowhere all day. She want me do what she say. If she catch me drinking liquor, she leaving forever. If she catch me drinking liquor, she leaving forever. Can't go nowhere all day. She want me do what she say.
This is one of the best lamb you would ever eat.
Only in Caura. Only in Caura.
Guys, the music finally slow down so we got a little chance. Quick. Kevin, come on. Let me taste this thing. Come on.
Come on, here.
That. Oh my God.
Throw some token.
The music coming up.
Cheers.
Now we just doing Caura, guys. So we are alone. Kevin, you're that man. You don't like the lamb, but I actually love it now.
I love it. And that sauce make it a freaking it. I wanted to curse, guys, but I say freaking.
They have infused garlic oil. It have soy sauce. It have British pepper. It has sazon, garlic powder, onion powder, Maggi pit seasoning.
So guys, you follow my recipe, all the powder recipes.
Never. Check out.
Welcome.
It's best.
And guys, the kitchen, we never wash the lamb.
No, we never wash no lamb.
Don't wash the meat.
We never wash no lamb. Straight in the pot. Straight in the pot.
Straight from the grocery to the car to the pot.
Amazing. That's what we do it.
Have we done like this?
Boy, but that thing's so good, boy. Wow. Come to do it again, you know.
Wow.
Me know we're going to curry chicken going to taste now, you know.
But is I cooking and much is good? Feel a lot of people are. Feel a lot of cooking now.
Please tell that, yeah. I will like guys. I should sell that sauce, but. Come in?
Nah, your sauce ahead.
Yeah, wow. Guys.
I can imagine how that sauce is with some pork. The fat from the pork melt and make that oil. So I wash the first pot, you gotta wash this pot then?
I small thing.
How you talking about?
Yeah. I just got some eating lamb right now.
The only thing we didn't do is bring some fat chowder.
Alright, that's what we're doing, guys. Check it out. Rain. Rare vibe. Lovely. What boy? My God, let me do all this thing this now. I just pick up 2 random piece of lamb in the grocery, yeah?
But that sauce in the
yeah, boy, Kevin.
But that sauce
What, boy?
Time and rub it up then.
Yeah, boy. Oh, God. This was the best, guys. I tell you, no season. I just put some oil and I cover the pot, slow heat, right? And I make my sauce one side. As I said, guys, infused garlic oil, soy sauce, sazon, real thing. I can't tell all everything. I just sell the sauce.
If all you want to know the recipe, come and check me out on Trade Life Everyday Boat Cruise on the 9th of December. Check it out. Amazing boat cruise. Board at 3, leaving 4, coming back 7. Guys, it's going to be amazing. Endless DJs, Marcus William, DJ Dominic, DJ Ashley. It's going to be epic.
It's gonna be real. My first event, guys. My first event.
Guys, it's BD's 35th birthday, guys. He's very young. And he's looking to have a big time.
And real big prizes, guys. $1,000 to the best female winer.
$1,000.
$1,000. 500.
Yes.
500 for the second place. You understand the man? The best male dancer, you got bottle. I'm focusing on the ladies. It's about the ladies, right, guys?
About ladies.
I come for that, trust me.
Guys, apart from that competition, and that endless other competition, there's nothing they can participate in that they don't even want to be on camera with. So guys, come and check it out. It's going to be real nice. It's going to be overnight. Early bird tickets start at 200.
Early birds almost done. Sorry. We barely have any. The only place we have some early birds is in Firehouse.
In Princess Town and DB.
I'll post up the flyer, guys, because all we early birds can have done. More or less done. Kevin maybe have about Kevin begging for early birds on Sunday. so guys,
check it out. After the early birds, the only other tickets right now is $225. So come and check it out.
Real nice. Check it out.
The numbers is on the flyer.
My God. I don't know what I'm missing. Kevin, full piece of that?
Why?
I don't know.
You eat. Farah, bisa lama ready.
Kevin, the best time I ever make in my life. Kevin, you. How soft again?
It's soft. I mean, never steam it, guys. Little to no fat. The fat created its own oil in the pot.
And the rain falling and we getting wet.
Ladies, it have a price of the biggest crew too. Come and check it out.
Yeah.
Link with the most amount of tickets.
And I want to taste the people cutters. So music camera, guys. We cut it.
Be crazy if I take a few drinks. You're putting on a show. It's straight home by your father. You're leaving to go. Girl, why you stopping me from liming? How you moving? So girl, let me drink me rum. If she catch me drinking liquor, she leaving forever. If she catch me drinking liquor, she leaving forever. Can't go nowhere. If she catch me drinking liquor, she leaving forever. If she catch me drinking liquor, she leaving forever. Can't go nowhere all day. People let's come down Caura to wash pot. When we come to do
wash hand. So guys, we wash the pot up there and we come to wash our hand down here. The water not bad, man. Yeah. You gotta get some fine stone.
I can't go for ice, Kevin. Huh?
Damn it, now I had to take out all the ice. They're coming out.
And me eat some man. Yes, sir?
Yeah. So guys, check out up there from the river view. People crazy just like us. Caura is packed. Whoever thought Caura would be packed today? Are you?
I'm tired, boy. Before we pick up this one, we gotta show that special lady. A special lady. Talk there. Who's that lady? Mati from where?
Rosan from Diego Martin.
And Mati made it beautiful. Son. You looking for a girl?
I'm married. I have 2 children.
Right, he good to go. Sorry. It's a boy's time. It's have no girls in this time. It's just a boy's time. Right. That's how much he trained this guy.
Yes,
So guys, love you guys. Lovely boys are there.
So guys, we next partner here. What's your name? Ricardo, man. Ricardo here on the inside, and you want to pick up Bolts from Warren. Bolts. Pick up your old stuff. You're missing out our best time.
I just want to ask you one question. You call me Cruz? I don't lie. You call me Cruz.
We did. You can remember we?
It's gonna be that video. I must remember that. So okay, we're going now. I kind of munches. What the cook there? Let me see what they cook now. Let me see what they cook now. You want to go in? You going now? No, you come and show me. You come, you show me what's going on here. Come. Let me see what the boys cook now. What?
That rice there.
Let me understand. Next week there, we're going to see this one. Let's let them cook, guys. We're going to see this one. Let's let them cook. Come, you. That's not 2 pieces. You take out. Come on, you take out 2 pieces.
So guys, the reason why we're doing this now, right? We getting all our heads up. On the day of the boat cruise, it have our best prize for the best
cutters on the cooler. Yes. Give a price for that. Dago. Yeah.
Money prize.
Yeah, come on. Everything. I don't know who cook what, but we're going to tell you what is the best. Right? We're going to tell you what is the best.
I go there.
Right. We're going to tell you what is the best. What's the heat? I will have a real cook and I'll eat it. That's good. I'll take a more Johnny.
Let's try.
This one is them. This one is them went out of the way, boy. Wow.
When fellas come to the line without the woman, this how they cook.
They cook better.
And they can't cook like that when they're home. That's the problem.
No, the reason, guys, the reason fellas just cook better. When the woman are raw cooked, nobody quarrel and fellas don't quarrel.
Don't do this. Wash your soul. Do this.
I lie.
You're making mess in the kitchen.
Fellas don't quarrel. You want to keep holding up. Let me come. Let me taste.
Alright, what we taste it?
Just taste everything.
And taste it up.
Don't say nothing. You gotta say what is the best, right? So let me duck first.
Yes.
Check it out. Okay, but then you don't understand me, not saying don't say nothing, but there we go.
In the background.
Pork guys, pork. And there you go, guys.
I don't think it was my favorite. Duck is the favorite. Look at me. Look at this chef.
I really like the pork, man. I really like the pork. Me and you is one of them. I really like the pork. But guys, everything is amazing.
I don't eat goat, but the goat is good too, eh?
Every single thing is amazing, guys. Check it out. These fellas and them, they can cook. But check them out. Don't hire them, but they can cook. It will cost you more in alcohol. That's what I tell you that. It will cost you more in alcohol. It don't make sense. Love you guys. Bow.
Morning, bro.
So guys, we have Diego Martin duck.
This is Diego Martin.
And the duck we tape. The duck we tape previous is also from Diego Martin. But these guys say they fake.
That's a fake Diego Martin duck.
Fake Diego Martin duck.
But let me tell you something.
Wow.
How that duck tastes though?
Amazing.
That's
amazing. Amazing.
Hey, how that duck tastes? How that duck tastes?
Amazing. Amazing.
So guys, you see this duck? This duck is amazing. Sauce, amazing.
And that's how Diego Martin duck supposed to taste.
Yeah, but I don't understand. He said he duck tastes amazing. And he's drinking all these fruits in these 2 box sauce.
I get it.
Look at lovely vibes, guys. Try to go and cook with pot and we get a chance to cook with your own pot.
It's best we didn't come and cook nothing.
Kevin coming in chicken, guys. One of the most famous chicken. Watch and learn, brother. Watch and learn. Watch and learn. Watch and learn. Your partner ain't pour everything on the duck. Watch. You're not saying like a man while there's some playing, you know. Let's not go some wine too. Wine, yeah, wine. Your partner never do that thing. Yeah, you know that. Now you talk about.
Hey, you ever eat a chicken taste better than a duck?
That way you get it. I'll tell you. Add pepper now, man.
Alvin, come and check, man. We got talk.
Add pepper now, man. Add pepper like you're mad. Add pepper. The big people eating today. Pepper is not the best kind, but we use what we have in the fridge. Your partner pot look like that?
What's your assortment that color?
It look like that? The man can't talk.
The Caura around with nothing.
Diego Martin, nothing.
Nothing. Not today, station.
Oh God!
I'll be some cake, Kevin.
Hey, baby, nah. How are you, guys? Lovely vibe. Wait at that again.
This is a
We're
fryer.
getting a free time.
This is a fryer.
Boy, fuck that boy. Add thing now, boy.
I can't over pot.
Add curry. You want to get it chunky? Right. Where's that?
We just curry versus duck. Chicken versus duck.
Nah, that don't care ready. That don't care ready.
These are chicken curry.
Nah, that we done. Lovely vibes, guys. Lovely vibes.
No advertisement.
Yeah, we done with that. Lovely vibes. Now we just do it in Caura. Best curry chicken ever tasted in your life. Can't be better than lamb, but good. Right. One time, no second. Don't mix. You're going to mix in the pot. You're wasting time. That's what we're talking about. You never see a curry like that in your life yet.
I feel like come to get tips. Tips what? Watching where you're doing. I'm watching you go. You can't go. You can't go get. Why you looking good? You looking good? Hey, there's somebody calling you over there. Alright, come here.
We think that these will bring back some memories for you.
Oh God!
I like this song. What she say? Can't go no.
I know, guys. Guys, add my sauce to the pressure, Kevin. Turn on all the sauce. Setting we up. Set up, man, Kevin. All the sauce, small.
Hey.
This one's a dolly. Dolly.
Fighting to keep him down there on the other man. Oh, yeah, it's something really set your heart.
You want to see a curry chicken? Well, man. Come on, raise it. Yeah, boy. Curry chicken and peas, guys. Get that on there. Yeah, man. Don't be a Kevin, let's do it. We don't wait on nobody, you know. We alone have a master, we like me.
That we talking about.
She leaving forever. If she catch me drinking liquor, she leaving forever. Can't go nowhere all day. She want me do what she say. And with the girls and them, with the woman and them, yeah. Whoa. She gone inside and crying, saying that I run free. But girl, I never chase you. It's you who leave me. I drinking on occasion, just maybe one or two. But you only complaining. What you want me do? Well, I not stopping you from leaving. I fed up with you. Girl, let me drink me rum. If she catch me drinking liquor, she leaving forever. If she catch me drinking liquor, she leaving forever. Can't go nowhere all day. She want me do what she say. She come inside and tell me she can't take this abuse. It's either she or liquor. I will have.
So guys, this is Kevin concoction here. I hope this trade will burn out. You understand? This is gonna be real bacchanal. Yeah, do you want?
Can I open it?
Do you want?
Can I open it?
Do you want? I just hope it'll burn through. You think it's gonna burn through, Alice? Eh?
It make for the oven.
Oh, it won't burn through.
I don't know, boy.
It will not burn through.
Let me hope so.
But you know where they do this? Take all these out of all the heat.
Nice, Kevin. Yeah, you keep turning it around. Turn it around in the same direction.
Seriously, I go on a Jamaican and get something.
All day, she want me do what she say. Can't go nowhere. All day, she want me do.
Get down the bass. That's good. That's your papa. Where is spoon? The first spoon. Bass it down a little bit now. And then you cover it. Get down the bass here. Right. Nice.
Nice, you think, Kevin?
Yeah, I like teach them.
Kevin, you walked in like
I like teach them.
Hey, what the heck? Show it on the head, show it on the head. Yeah.
Yeah.
Go oven. Straight. Fire on
What she say? If she catch me drinking liquor, she leaving forever. If she catch me drinking liquor, she leaving forever. Can't go nowhere all day. She want me do what she say. Well, it's the Beavers, yeah. Big Rich.
Better than guy is. Better than guy is.
Look, we no got.
There you go.
No got, we like it right.
We give it away, Buddha. We give it away.
What? Wait. Dago.
The throat thing now, right? Look, get the girl, boss. But we saw something now, man.
Sister, how you going? This is PDX channel.
She know the channel, she knows what it is. Yeah.
That's all, yeah.
Yeah, Kevin, you might turn.
Real cook, yeah.
Not too many, not plenty, you know.
Easy, now you're doing
That's sauce.
I don't know what it
On camera? On camera or off camera? Go ahead, yeah, you don't. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Watch it.
Inside and crying, saying that I run free. But girl, I never chase you. It's you who leave me. I drinking on occasion, just maybe one or two. But you only complaining. What you want me to do? forever. If she catch me drinking liquor, she leaving forever. Can't go nowhere all day. She want me do what she say. Inside and tell me she can't take this abuse. It's either she or liquor. I will have to choose. Just look at this position this woman put me in. Between she and the liquor, who you feel going? Girl, stop giving all this trouble. It's time you give in and let me drink me rum. If she catch me drinking liquor, she leaving forever. If she catch me drinking liquor, forever, can't go nowhere all day. She want me to what she say. I can't go nowhere all day. She want me to what she say. Can't go nowhere all day. She want me to what she say. She want me do what she say. Can't go nowhere all day. She want me do what she say. If she catch me drinking liquor, she leaving forever. If she catch me drinking liquor, she leaving forever. Can't go nowhere all day.
So guys, the most amazing thing in Caura is that we're going out with no food. And I'm so happy we give away every single thing. That's the amazing part of meeting people. Some people just come to the line and we give away everything. So we have nothing to carry back. Thank God. First time in Caura, we have nothing to carry back. And people are so appreciative of all the food and thing, and that makes me real happy, real happy. So we go back and enjoy ourselves a bit. We're going to pack up the car and then we're going to enjoy ourselves a little bit with people and them. And we have a couple ladies win some tickets. You know, we have done some questions and stuff and thing, but I won't be able to put it in the video because only music playing.
If she catch me drinking liquor, she leaving forever. If she catch me drinking liquor, she leaving forever. Can't go nowhere all day. She want me do what she say. And with the girls and them, with the woman and them, yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. She gone inside and crying, saying that I run free. But girl, I never chase you. It's you who leave me. I drinking on occasion, just maybe one or two. But you only complaining. What you want me do? Well, I not stopping you from leaving. I fed up with you, girl. Let me drink me rum. If she catch me drinking liquor, she leaving forever. If she catch me drinking liquor, she leaving forever. Can't go nowhere all day. She want me do what she say. Whoa, yeah, yeah. position this woman put me in. Between she and the liquor, who you feel going? Girl, stop giving all this trouble. It's time you give in and let me drink me rum. If she catch me drinking liquor, she leaving forever. If she catch me drinking liquor, she leaving forever. Can't go nowhere. All day, she want me to what she say. I can't go nowhere. All day, she want me to what she say. Can't go nowhere. All day, she want me to what she say.
Okay, so that's the tune of it's another fabulous
And inside.
fabulous edition.
Satan.
And
All the inside.
it was a really nice Caura
Inside, outside.
video.
Not today, Satan.
And
Can't go nowhere.
a couple of girls got a couple of tickets
Not today, Satan.
in Caura, so
That's right, that's
it
right.
was really amazing. And
Surely.
hope to see you guys on the 9th of December. All early birds ticket on we side is sold out. And I didn't print like 50 early birds, I print 200 early birds. The only place you might get some early birds is in Firehouse, both locations, Penal and Rock Road.
Kevin
But
and Nicky.
I don't know what Kevin talk about, but all we early birds aside gone. So the next batch of ticket is 225, guys. So call us or check out the best bar in South Firehouse. And we out.
Sending me crazy. If I take a few drinks, you're putting on a show. You're straight home by your father. You're leaving to go. Girl, why you stopping me from liming? How you moving? So girl, let me drink me rum. If she catch me drinking liquor, she leaving forever. If she catch me drinking liquor,